And they get everybody back on board and they say thank you and they wave goodbye, lift up anchor and sail out of the bay. And the night before, the priests of Lono have been watching the stars and they're saying this is the last night of Makahiki. Tomorrow, the god is supposed to depart. And purely by coincidence, that's the day that Cook decides to pull up anchor and leave. So the Hawaiians are all happy. They've been visited by the god during the celebration. The British are happy. They've discovered new islands. Everybody's happy at this point. Cook runs into trouble heading up north. There's a storm at sea, and the foremast of one of the ships snaps forward. They hadn't noticed the wood was rotting at the base of the mast, and when the strain hit it, it snapped. But it was an easy repair. They just needed a little bit of wood to make the repairs, and they figured the simplest thing is to sail back into the bay, grab the lumber, we're out of here one day, two at the most. So they head back and arrive about 2 weeks after they had originally departed. Of course, in the meantime, the tiki, the idols of Lono, have been taken down. The idols of Ku have been returned to their places, and all of those ceremonies that imbue